here's how to make thousands in YouTube without having to do the videos yourselves. Go to youtube.com and you'll find tons of videos like this featuring rain noises. Go to pexels.com and find videos for raining sounds. Then go to zapsplat.com. Once you search for the keyword that you are looking for, you'll have plenty to choose from. You go to a video editor, get your video together with the sound that you have selected, loop that for about 10 hours, upload it to YouTube, and then you start earning money.